Hi, so this is our interesting deck collection, which is called the Enrich Decking and Cladding Collection. So we have two options. One is a tile deck and one is a plank deck series. If you can see, this is the entire range of our plank decks in beautiful 5 colors. Now, the unique part about these planks is that you can use it on two sides, the grooves as well as the co-extrusion wood finish side. The other thing is this is a WPC collection, which is a wood plastic composite where the wood component is 70% and the plastic component is 30%. The profile is a hollow profile and extremely robust, very strong in terms of quality, and very superior in terms of what is available in the market. The other option that you have is the tile deck. Now, the USP about this is our grid. This grid has been designed to eradicate all the issues all clients have had with tile decks of other products, other brands. It is something that does not melt very easily in the sun. The PVC is extremely strong, and the locking system is also very different. This tile, if you see, it does not bend vis-a-vis compared to other tiles available in the market. If you bend it like this, it'll break because the grid is very substandard for those products. But here we've really worked on the grid and come out with this unique product. This also has 4 colors, which make it very interesting. This can be used in your balconies. It can be used in various commercial spaces. It can be used in villas, private homes, and obviously the plank deck can be used for cladding as well as for decking. And it can also be used on soffit, which is a very new requirement of late. So you put it on the bottommost part of your ceiling in an outdoor, in a restaurant or maybe a hotel, or even in your house for that matter, if you have an outhouse. So yeah, this is what the whole collection looks like, and we are extremely excited to launch this product, and we hope you really enjoy it and experience it yourself. Thanks a lot.